everyone, and welcome back to the Attractive Japan YouTube channel. My name is Lacey and I'm here today with my friend.
Hello, I am Francisco.
And today we are going to make Kaminari Okoshi. So recently I went to Asakusa and I took a lesson on how to make Kaminari Okoshi, and they actually gave me this home making set, and you can buy these online, or if you go in person they give them to you. As hard as we tried, we did not successfully make the Kaminari Okoshi on the first try. As you can see in this video here, we burnt it to a crisp and we could not get the peanuts to mix into it. It tasted basically like burnt popcorn. So yeah, that's why we had to do a take two. And so wish us luck for round two. Okay, so I'm going to refer to these directions again. And because I have a gas stove top, I have to be very, very careful not to burn it. So we are going to start off with our water. And we need a little bit of sugar. So sugar, please. 1 tablespoon. Okay, and we need to fill in and put in this pouch. Just pour that all in there. The fire is not on yet. I have it all over my hands. Alright, for step number 5, number 4, we are going I can't read today, but for step number 4 we are going to go ahead and put some of the butter that we have at our house. Go ahead and put that in for me. Use a spoon. Okay, and for step number 5, we are going to turn on the fire. This says medium heat, but because we have gas, we are going to do it very low so that I don't burn it again. So please turn on heat. Low heat, please. Very, very low heat. No burning today. And we need to mix it. Got our trusty spoon here. My hands are still very sticky. We're going to mix this together. Clean up my mess. I'm going to pour the nuts and the rice in today at the same time to prevent the same mistake as yesterday happening where the peanuts don't mix in. So I'm just going to prepare these, and that is very poppy. Be careful just because it does pop a little bit. Got those ready. What do you think though, Mama? Don't burn it. Stress. Pressure. I recommend reading all of the recipe beforehand and not just thinking you know what to do, because that leads you to burning it like me. It's getting pretty bubbly now, so I think it's almost ready. It's very, very bubbly, but it's not very sticky yet. What do you think? Ready? So please mix this one. I am going to have opened this in the worst way possible. Alright, and we're going to pour the peanuts right in. Make sure you don't wait too long or they will not stick. And just put the garbage in the cooler. It smells really good. It doesn't smell burnt today.
いい匂い。
今日焦げてない。
今日焦げてない。
I'm gonna be a proper person and put this in the bowl. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
I got it on the table anyway. Alright. So when it's first done, it is still, ow, 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 don't touch it. It is still very, very hot. So don't touch it. Wait for it to cool off for a few seconds and then, but still eat it while it's warm because just like a fresh baked cookie out of the oven is the best, it's the same for this. So it's the best when it's hot. So we are going to wait for this to stiffen up a little bit. I don't know. なんかくっついてない。Alright, so maybe this kit should have 4 sets inside of it, or 3, because you know, 3rd time's a charm, but it only had 2. But it's not burnt, so even if it's not sticking together, it will still taste good. So I am going to just use my spoon. It should be hard enough to like break apart into pieces, but I think I was too worried about burning it and put it in too soon, so. It's still pretty hot, but it tastes pretty good. I mean, really, with sugar and butter, as long as you don't burn it, can't do too bad. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Whoops. Go back. It's not the same as the Kaminari Okoshi that I made in class. So, while it's fun to make at home, I recommend going to the class first because I went to the class and I still can't do it. But I'm a little impatient, so maybe that's why. So when I went to the class in Asakusa, the Kaminari Okoshi that we made there, they gave us this nice little tin box to bring it home in. And I actually brought some home and he tasted it and he was a big fan. So he knows that this is a little different, as do I. But when I went to the class, they gave me this and they gave me the packet of 2 to make at home. And so if you are able to successfully make it, unlike me, you could put it in this and give it to someone else, which I was hoping to do, but I'm just going to have to eat this mess off of my table. So thank you so much for watching. This is much better than last time. What do you think? どう？
今回は味はもっと美味しかった。
Yeah, don't burn it, but maybe wait a little longer. Just watch it very good. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos, our video about Hiroshima, about, oh goodness. Check out our other videos. We have a Hiroshima video, we have a Tokoname video, and we're planning on making many, many more. If you have any requests, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!